my name's Marissa and today we're going to be drawing an Among Us unicorn today. So let's get started by drawing the shape of the body first. It's just a line down, and then once you get to where you want your legs to be, you start curving around like this, and then we're going to go up a bit, and then from that point you're going to make a line, and then once you made your line you're going to make a line down and then curve it all the way up until you want your visor. So your visor is going to kind of go here in this and that part. So now I'm going to make this line just extend up a little more like this, and then here's the fun part with all the unicorn hair. So first let's start about here, and then we're going to draw a wave down and then swoop it down kind of like that. And then once you have that swoop, we're gonna swoop it again and go in just like this. I'm gonna make a couple of more fun swoop lines like this, and then go up into that line. I'm gonna make one more hair strand that goes up and around a bit just like this, and then go out and try to connect that line. Perfect. Now let's draw part of the hair going this way. Once you kind of get here, stop, because that's where our horn is going to go. So draw your horn by going up like this, and then make a curve around, and then curve it back just like that, and then make it go back into that hair. We're going to make some curves that spiral all the way up. So make another one and one more. Cool. Now from this point, pretend like it goes past the horn, and we're going to draw another hair that goes down and out, and then we're going to go back in and touch that line. Perfect. Now let's draw the visor. The visor is going to start at this point and go around, out, and then keep going out a bit, and then come up to where your hair is. So it's kind of like hiding behind the hair. Now let's draw an ear. We're going to draw one ear starting here and going around and down. Let's draw a line that goes down and in, and then I want to draw a line in, up, and then one more bump to finish it off. There's one ear. Now you can make your ears more pointed. I decided to go around on mine. I'm going to make another one over here. This time I'm going to go out just a little bit more and then come back in just like that. I want to make a line that goes up, and then we're going to kind of make a little round mark, and then one more round piece that goes in. Let's make part of the pack right here. So start at one of your strands of hair and then go down a bit and stop, because we're going to make our tail. So let's put our tail right here and go around and down, and then go around like this, down again. And then once you have that, we're going to do one more time around, and this time it kind of flares out. And then once you have that little curve out, let's go back in and make it so that it comes up just like this. Now we're going to pretend this pack goes through the tail and then around to the other side and close it off. Perfect. I'm going to draw one more line of hair that goes right here just to add some more detail. So make a curve, kind of looks like a J, and go up, around, and in a bit. There we go. I'm gonna use this line and make it touch. If yours isn't touching, you can just make your pack touch just like mine. So there we go. Let's color it in. Here's our unicorn crewmate. I hope you enjoyed drawing with me. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I will see you next time. Bye.